Financial systems are moving towards tokenized infrastructure under new regulatory expectations, including the SEC CFTC tokenization framework, the Genius Act, and the Clarity Act. Across all of these, one requirement is consistent. Institutions must prove solvency, liquidity, and redemption readiness continuously. Today, I'm going to demonstrate SolvencyProof, a system that turns those requirements into real-time verifiable on-chain proof. Here's we're looking at a regulatory compliant system state. Solvent and liquid. Reserves is greater than or equal to liabilities. Liquid assets is greater than or equal to near-term obligations. This satisfies three core regulatory conditions. Capital backing, SEC or Genius. Reserves exceed liabilities. Or liquidity redemption readiness, Genius or FDIC alignment. Liquid assets can meet near-term obligations. Or continuous monitoring, Clarity or SEC direction. This is evaluated continuously, not periodically reported. Each of these evaluations produces a verifiable compliance state. Regulators don't just require compliance, they require verifiable evidence of compliance. Every result is computed deterministically, converted into a proof artifact, and anchored on-chain. This creates an immutable audit trail of financial condition. Now, I'm going to show what happens when those regulatory conditions are no longer met. This is a real computed result, not simulated. In this case, one or more regulatory requirements have been violated. Under these frameworks, this is not just a risk signal, it is a non-compliant financial state. The system does not rely on disclosures or reporting cycles. It computes the condition and classifies it deterministically. This is where traditional systems stop. They detect issues. SolvencyProof is designed to enable enforcement based on these outcomes. This aligns directly with regulatory expectations around risk containment and consumer protection. This result has been anchored on-chain as a compliance record. This is the actual blockchain record. This creates a tamper-evident, independently verifiable record of financial state and compliance status. This directly aligns with emerging regulatory direction. We just observed two states, a compliant system, solvent and liquid, and a non-compliant system, failing regulatory requirements. And both were computed, cryptographically proven, and anchored on-chain. This means we are no longer asking institutions to report compliance. We are enabling systems to prove compliance continuously. SolvencyProof transforms compliance from static disclosures, delayed reporting, trust-based assertions into continuous verification, deterministic rule execution, and cryptographic proof. We're not asking regulators or users to trust financial disclosures. We're giving them the ability to verify compliance in real time.